I'm Professor Vivek, heading the Creative Applied Computation design course. This is a course where design meets the digital frontiers. If you're really interested in designing the futures and if you want to be a part of the digital making, this is the place where you have to be. So why CAC? So CAC is a course where anyone can join without prior knowledge of coding or programming. This is a 4-year B.Des course which covers basically about design and digital thinking skills. The course revolves around project-based learning, internships and disciplinary studios. So these three aspects of the course equips the student to deal with the worldly challenges. So CAC has around 5 methods or themes which you could involve in. The first one is data-driven approach or data-driven design, algorithmic design, simulation and modeling, digital fabrication and interactive design. So these 5 methods will basically cover most of the domains on this planet. So in a nutshell, CAC's vision is basically to use computational methods to solve real-life problems. The opportunities which open up for CAC are plentiful. A student could be a software developer, could be animator, could also work on interdisciplinary projects on ecology and many other domains which intersect with computation. The whole motivation for me is to give back to the society and also ensure that students who have passed out of Creative and Applied Computations have value addition in the industry. If you have any questions on this course, please contact us.